Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial slash review on this wig that I'm wearing right now. This wig is from Evawigs. I have worked with Evawigs before, so this is not my first time working with this company and I'm super excited. All of the hair information will be left in the description box down below, so if you guys have any questions on this hair, just make sure you guys refer to the description box before leaving a comment because it's probably in the description box. It's been a really long time since I've done one of these personable intros. Usually you guys will hear me on a voiceover doing my intro, but I thought it'd be really cool to kind of switch it up. So today's video is going to be something a little different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this wig without using any glue, any gel, any sort of adhesive whatsoever. I'm literally just going to show you guys how I install this wig just by simply placing it on my head and just styling it using some hairspray products and some hot tools. I thought it'd be really cool to do a video like this just because there are a lot of people who are kind of hesitant on using adhesive on their hair or using gel on their hair because they feel like it may break their hair, break off their edges. So I thought it'd be really cool to show you guys how to lay your hair without, or lay your wig without using any sort of adhesive at all. All you guys need is a hot comb, a flat iron, and a wand. And then also some hairspray and some shine just to kind of, you know, give it that, you know, you just stepped out of the salon kind of look. So yeah, so those are all the products that I use for my hair today. I'm going to show you guys how to get super flat, sleek hair. I tried to make this tutorial as elementary as possible so that the person who is not a hair guru or a wig guru can follow these steps to achieve this look or follow these steps to install their wig. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys in my next video and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you soon. Alright guys, so we're just gonna hop right into this tutorial. So I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looks right out of the bag. I literally just took it out. So I'm just gonna pull it back because I want to show you guys from start, step by step, what I did to achieve this look. And I just want to show you guys also that I haven't applied anything whatsoever on the wig. Like I literally took it out of the bag, placed it on my head. As you guys can see, there's no glue, no gel, anything like that. So I'm going to start pulling the wig forward and just positioning it on my head. This is a middle part, so I want to try to get it in the middle as best as possible. And I just want to make sure that it fits comfortably on my head. And there are two straps in the back of the wig. Just make sure you guys pull those super tight, and that's what's going to kind of make the wig fitted on your head so that it's super secure and it doesn't fly away. So this is a really important step right here. I do this with almost all of my wigs. I'm just going to take a hot comb. I'm going to start combing the top of the head because as you guys can see, when you first receive wigs, typically they are going to be thicker at the top and they can look a little wiggish. So by doing this step, this is going to try to get it as flat as possible so it looks as natural as possible. And as you guys can see, just comparing the left side to the right side, it looks super flat after I've combed through it. So you guys, you know, take your time when you're doing this step because you, like I said, you want to like try to get it as flat as possible. The flatter it gets, the more natural it looks. So I'm going to give the top of my head a little bit more love, and I'm just going to take my wand and just press down on the top just to get it extra flat. So right now I'm going to start styling the hair. I'm just sectioning it off, and for today's look I'm going to just do pin straight middle parts. I haven't done this style in a really long time, so I thought it'd be cool to kind of switch it up because I'm always doing a side part. But yeah, so just to give you guys some of my thoughts on this wig. So right out of the box, the first thing that I noticed was the texture of the hair. The hair is extremely, incredibly silky, like satin silk. Like, I was just so blown away at how silky and soft this hair was right out of the box. I mean, usually typically hair is, you know, soft right out of the box because you haven't like washed it or anything, but this hair was just like overly silky and I was just like, oh my god. You know what I mean? But yeah, so the hair was really soft. I just noticed minimal shedding, and there's no tangling really with this wig. Usually it's straight hair, so usually you won't really experience a whole lot of tangling. This hair is definitely very low maintenance, just because of the fact that it's straight hair. I feel like all straight hair usually is low maintenance. Typically with curly hair you will experience a lot more tangles, a lot more shedding, possibly, not all the time. But for one, it's straight hair. For two, it is very silky hair, very soft. You don't really have to do much to it to style it. As you guys can see in this video, I did this style in like 10 minutes. It was a super quick style. So this hair is definitely perfect for people who were kind of like on the go, just for the simple fact that you guys don't have to add any glue to install the wig. You don't have to add any gel to install the wig. You guys can definitely do that step if you guys feel like you need more security with the wig, but I'm telling you guys, just by strapping the two straps in the back really close together, it does fit really tight on my head, and I don't feel like I don't feel like it's gonna fall off my head. I feel like it's secure just from tightening up those straps in the back. And then also, I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, but if I didn't, I do want to let you guys know that I did not bleach the knots at all on this wig. I didn't pluck the front of the wig at all, just because I wanted to show you guys that you don't necessarily have to do a bunch of steps to make your wig look really good, or just, you know, you don't have to do a bunch of steps to lay your wig. So literally, you guys, I took it out of the box, placed it on my head, straightened it, and you guys will see in the next steps how I'm just going to finish it off with some hairspray and some shine. But literally, this style took all of 10 minutes, and it's super easy, super convenient for that woman who's just on the go and needs something quick but wants to look good. So I'm going to take some hairspray and just spray it on the top of the wig, and I'm just going to take a small tooth comb and just kind of comb down the flyaways, because there are a lot of flyaways on this wig. And this hairspray is from Bonte. If you guys do not know about Bonte, y'all need to get on Bonte, because it's literally the best hairspray ever. A lot of hairstylists use this hairspray and it really works. So I'm going to be taking the Smooth as Silk Luxurious Shine Spray. I'm just going to spray it or rub it on the top of my head through the wig, and this is going to help with frizz as well. And this stuff is amazing. So the last step, I'm just going to take some concealer and just apply it down the middle of the hair, and this is just going to give that natural scalp look. But yeah, so it's pretty much the end of this tutorial. I showed you guys step by step how I did this style, and it's super quick, super easy, super convenient, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you guys like this video, thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much.